Again, welcome to David Wand Statistics Tutoring. I'm your statistics tutor, David Wand, and in this short video, I'm going to explain to you how my tutoring program will help you understand multiple regression to pass your statistics course. So if you take my tutoring program, I'm going to show you how multiple factors can be used to predict a variable, such as a score on the Scholastic Aptitude Test. So what factors could be involved in figuring out how well you're going to do on that SAT? They could be the income and education level of the parents. That's one factor. Another factor could be the number of hours that your parents spend helping you as a child do their homework. Another variable could be the number of school classes that you missed as a child during high school, right? So there you have three factors. So that's multiple factors. That's why it's called multiple regression. Now, I've been teaching this course since 1995, and my understanding so far is you would never be expected to calculate from scratch a multiple regression equation. So instead, what they do on a test in your statistics course is they give you the multiple regression equation and they give you the data analysis from that multiple regression equation. So they actually crunch the data for you, and they often use a software package like Excel or SPSS or R or Stata, and they give you that summary output on a test. And then they ask you questions how to interpret it. So in my tutoring program, we would go through an actual real statistics printout of a multiple regression equation along with the multiple regression equation. And we would try to understand the equation and look at the summary printout to see if each factor is statistically significant in predicting your SAT score. And we can do this for thousands of students so that you could figure out which of those three factors actually is influencing a student's ability to score well on their SAT. So it could be the number of hours that the parents engage with you in helping you with your homework, or maybe not. It could be the income level and the education level of your parents, or maybe not. So what we're going to do is hypothesis testing for each of those uh, variables and the coefficients that go with those variables, and we'll look at that in my tutoring program. And then you're going to have to answer questions. So, for example, based on the printout you're given, the questions on your test may be, are the number of hours that the parents spend with their children doing their homework, is that a statistically significant factor in predicting in the future how well you're going to do as you get older and do the SAT? Same goes for the other factors. Is the education level of your mother and your father statistically significant in predicting how well you will do on your SAT in the future, right? And so that's what we'll be looking at, for example, answering questions like that on a test that you would be given. So if you're interested in signing up for my tutoring program, I have two 1-hour sessions per week over 12 weeks. That's 24 hours. Or I have a condensed 12-hour tutoring program. You can reach me at that email address or phone me on that WhatsApp number. I look forward to hearing from you. Good luck with your statistics course. Bye for now.